Hey guys, it's your favorite thing, I'm Gold, and welcome to my channel where everything that glitters is gold. This wig that I was sent by ReadyWig. So this is the box that it came in. It's a cute pink and black box. And then once you open it up, you have like a little message. And of course your hair. So I chose a pink synthetic wig. I'll leave the exact name on the screen and in the description. And it also comes with a little spray bottle as well as wig caps. Also comes with a hair care card. So now let's get into the actual hair. Okay, so it's gonna be a nice length. Has a lot of body, nice curls. Gotta be careful not to get these like too matted though. So, and here's what the lace is looking like right now. It looks pretty good. I'm not sure if I want to customize it. I might do like a little baby hair thing and maybe pluck a few, you know, hairs out, but besides that, it's looking really nice. Okay, and here's the inside. Let's just like turn it inside out. So you have the adjustable straps here and here. 1, 2, 3 combs. You have the lace. All of their wigs were only 4-inch parting space, which you guys know if you watched my other videos. I do prefer a lot more parting space, but I feel that with curly wigs you can get away with it a lot easier because you couldn't, like, you know, do the little flip over. But yeah, it looks pretty good so far. So let's get the lace trimmed, put it on, and discuss more. Let's see what I can do with this. Okay guys, so this is how the wig looks put on. I'm really feeling myself right now. Like, I feel like a rich pink-haired bitch, but I don't really know if those exist. So what I did was I just cut little sideburns just so I can tuck it and it will be like, you know, cute. So I cut it on either side, and then I also did cut like a few shorter hairs towards the front so it can look like little stray long kind of baby hairs. And this is how much I ended up cutting. Not much, but yeah, this is basically what I did. I would just find a piece, if it felt cute there, just snip it, boop, and then it will fall back up. Okay, it's kind of cute. So here's the side again. Really soft, nice texture. It's a little dense, she's a little thick. Maybe later I'll go ahead and shear her to thin her out a little bit, but then again, when I'm thinking about it, since it is a curlier wig, it might be a little more difficult to brush through it, and the more I brush through it, the more poofy it's gonna get. It's gonna lose its curl pattern. So I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. It's cute either way. She's cute either way. And I believe this wig is 24 inches. So let's just see. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I'm gonna try to show you where it falls on me, and if you guys can't see, I'll insert pictures, of course. So if you guys are interested and you want to check out ReadyWig, I would really recommend. It's a really cool brand, a variety of different styles on their site, different colors, different textures, different lengths, like green hair, bobs, wavy, straight. Just all, the one thing that is consistent around the board is the lace inches. So it's all 4-inch lace. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig or any others that you guys see on the website, you guys can use my code for percentage off, which I will use code MGOLD in order to receive money off of your purchase. And everything will be linked below, including the direct link to this wig and the link to the website itself. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos, and remember to stay gold.